Yep, we're headed to a field trip for Ayden today. It's in, what is it, Olive Branch, South Haven? Hernando.
Cedar Hill.
Cedar Hills, Hernando.
My friends.
It is 41 degrees outside, and we are going to be outside all day at a farm. This should be interesting.
See, it's that cold outside.
Yep, we all have our thermals kind of bundled up. But we're going to see how much fun it is today.
Yeah.
No school for Ayden, just a field trip. We have to be there. We have to be there by 9, and it's 8:05. We're just not leaving the house, y'all.
That's be nice, y'all.
Don't do that, Dre. You excited, Ayden?
Yup, y'all. So I have marshmallow and I'm gonna go to the tree house.
They got tree houses. This not the same farm we went to before. It's not Bull Bottom. This Cedar Hill, the one where you rode the horses at last time. You remember that? You rode horses with Daddy. If I can find the video, I'll put it in here. You might not. It was, what, 2 years ago?
I need the new seat here.
No, it was last year. I don't know. I can't remember, y'all. Yeah, it was last fall. I'll find the videos and pictures from that. We weren't on YouTube then, but we did take some videos and stuff.
Yep.
Remember that time we put
Sure
it
did.
by ourselves?
You what?
Remember that time we put it by ourselves?
Where?
At Cedar Hill.
Yeah. Y'all, this sun is bright.
Nobody was there except for my friends. Y'all never said my friends.
And they ain't gonna see them today. They in our video, they're gonna get blurred out.
They'll get blurred out.
They're gonna get what? Hey?
They'll get blurred out.
Not blowed, blurred. Like a blur.
They'll be shocked.
No.
Blur. Like
Where you
blow.
can't see their face. Okay, you can go. We're here, Ayden. You ready?
Where's the school bus?
Sure they coming.
They haven't made it yet. A lot of people brought their kids. I don't think it's open to the public, huh?
I don't think so.
So you don't remember this place, Ayden?
Bus park and car park and drop off.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What?
Around.
When the bus comes.
It's
The bus coming, baby. They coming. You ain't gonna miss nothing. You gonna see them when they get here, too.
Oh.
Show be them, man.
I mean, buses are slow, baby. When we left, they were still at the school. Just be glad you're not late. It's better to be early than late.
You're early, you're on time.
Yep.
If you're on time, you're late.
Yep.
We gotta wait for them.
We are waiting for them. I don't think you can get in now anyway. Your teacher said 9 o'clock. Y'all, I forgot to bring the thing to hold the camera. My arm gonna be so tired today.
Where's my teacher?
Huh?
It doesn't take too long with the bus.
It's so cold, y'all.
for a hunt when I get back home.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am. Why I'm not?
Because
Why?
we're making hot cocoa and we're watching movies.
Today just Thursday.
I don't care.
I got work Friday, Saturday.
Exactly.
I'll be with y'all Saturday, Friday, Sunday.
Y'all, look at Ayden. He's so scared to play. Watch this.
To play.
He don't know what to do.
Waiting on TJ.
Y'all, Ayden's scared of heights.
Y'all get down.
Put your foot right here. Teacher. Grab back onto it. Grab the hole. Put your foot right there. Go. Go. Bring your leg out like this. Put it over there. You want me to get up there? You want to come down?
He up there now. In my pocket.
Alright, Ayden.
Yeah, really.
Don't hit nobody, Ayden.
Was that fun?
Don't go on there.
Yeah, go ahead.
It ain't gonna hurt you.
Hey, that hurt.
Oh, goodness. They're violent.
At least I got a Hey.
Chicken knock. Want me to hold it? Hey.
Let daddy hold it for the chicken knock it out your hand. It's not gonna get you, it's trying to get the food.
Oh, where's chicken? Y'all better not bite me or something. Hey.
You wanna feed the goats?
Go.
Let's get some chicken.
Throw it in there, Ayden. Huh?
Ayden, you want to feed the goat?
Come here.
Throw your hand out.
I'm so scared to do it.
You want some?
Well, you want to hold the cup?
Move back. You already had some.
They hungry. Oh, he's fine.
Oh, he okay.
He's fine. Look, Ayden. Look.
Oh my god!
A pig? A hog?
Oh my god!
That's a grandpa. Yeah, what are you doing? Oh my goodness. Y'all, Ayden is scared of the animals. You scared?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Come on, we're supposed to go this way.
Oh my god!
Look at the donkeys. Jack and Jill. Oh.
You already know what's up, don't you?
Oh.
Give me.
That's how they eat.
Yeah. I'm sorry.
He said, stop playing with me,
Oh,
Dre.
you can't have my cup.
little pony. His name is Casper.
Casper's trying to get my cup.
Putting it in his nose.
He trying to get my cup. Look.
You want some too?
Huh.
He wants a cup back. They are greedy.
Oh,
Where?
go. Go. You like that? I ain't got no more food here when we touch. Ayden. Ayden.
Y'all, Ayden out here running from chickens.
Carter, don't take the chicken. Oh my God, what's that?
Come on, let's go see.
It was a sheep, Ayden. Sheep.
Sheep.
Hi, sheepy sheep. I don't have anything. They didn't give us any. He hit the brakes. Y'all, Ayden running from chickens and other kids chasing chickens.
Get past those chickens.
I'm right here.
I can't pass the chicken.
Ayden, I don't like chickens either.
Everybody good?
We're waiting. Yeah. I think I hear them.
They come.
Yeah. Look how he's holding on.
He's like, I'm trying to smile and have fun.
How do you know their names? Oh, okay.
This was tree farm. They're like the little tree that was on Mickey Mouse. How much is it? $59.
That's all $59 get you? Delicious. Where is Ayden?
I don't know.
Oh Lord.
That's $129.
Pretty.
They down though. This one $175.
Ooh.
I don't want no loud tree. I plant them in the ground in front of the house. There you go.
Ayden, we want to get a picture. We want to get a picture of you with the tree. Yes, I know. Stay there in front of the tree. Come on. Smile. Now you done lost your friends. I'm sorry.
They playing hide and seek. I have you hold this tree right here and pull it back just like that. There you go. Hold it like that. All right, here we go, guys. Now, when it falls, you gotta yell timber. Here we go. Timber!
Good job.
All right.
Yeah.
Woo!
I do. Y'all look at Drea. He done cut his hair again.
Cam like it.
I do, but why he keep cutting on his
Especially
hair?
put emphasis on do. I do.
Y'all, I'm so cold. My hands are froze.
All right, don't hide now.
We had some good hot chocolate. It had marshmallow. Mine had marshmallows and peppermint. So good. Well, we had fun. It was just a lot of kids to keep up with. Kind of nerve-wracking. And then we went to the Christmas tree farm, and as y'all can see, the kids were running around like crazy.
You gotta be a special person to be a teacher.
Man, I don't see how they do it. We're about to go get us something to eat because we're hungry. I think all the kids were hungry.
And the girls, I'm hungry.
I said, me too. But it's so cold here. I don't want to eat there. Ayden wants chili, so I guess that's where we're going to go. Little old man, you tired from today? You got your legs crossed. You happy to be home?
No.
Well, got your little foot twitching. What's wrong, Ayden?
Huh?
What's wrong?
Yo. So today I don't want to leave. So I won't leave right now.
He wanted to stay with his friends. A lot of his class had their parents there and they went home with their parents, but 8 of them went back to school with the teacher, and one of his friends was one of the 8 and he wanted to go, but that wasn't an option because he was with us. I'm just glad I didn't have to like come back and sit in line and wait for them. Not after walking around that farm all day. Having to do that too? No, I couldn't see us doing that.
Yo.
It's just not feasible for us to essentially, I don't want to say babysit, but just guide folks around our property.
Run and play.
Run. $100, $200, $300, $400 per stay night in there. We can't devote 2 or 3 hours a day. It's
quiet.
Go
down.
Not that far. That's all I'm saying. It's closer. But what's 45?
I want to see those push-ups again.
Push-ups.
Area where we're talking about
push-ups.
So I just want to clarify. Sorry.
Alright. I got all my work done, since you're not done. I'm here to help. Or be in the way.
Small batch bourbon, aged to perfection.
I was editing this video and I realized we didn't do an ending to it, so we just want to come on and say bye to all of you. If you haven't done so already, make sure you like the video, get in the comments, let Ayden know how you enjoy coming along on his field trip, and of course make sure you're subscribed. And Ayden wants to show you guys the tree. There is a video coming of it getting decorated. It has presents under there now, so he's pretty excited. So I'm gonna end it with showing you guys the tree.
Yeah, so y'all, I'm gonna open a present right now.
We're not opening presents.
Oh yeah, look. Those are the presents. I'm so excited to open them.